up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to introduce you to the newest member of the Veteran Off-Road family, 2015 Jeep Rubicon. We've had it for about 2 months now. I'm going to show you some of the upgrades we've done in that time. Pretty much stock when we bought it, and I don't like to leave things that way, so I'll show you what we've done so far. We got rid of the stock Jeep headlights and upgraded those. Also replaced the stock bumper, which didn't look very great. Upgraded it with the XRC bumper. Comes with mounts for lights up top. In the middle you can put your stock fog lights here, and it's already got the plate for the winch. It's got D-ring mounts. We also added these were not here. It also has high lift points here and here, and then on the bottom actually have polymer plates almost for rock crawling, so it doesn't scratch up the metal. It actually will ruin that before it ruins the bumper, and you can replace them. You notice there's nothing here yet. I just got the relocation bracket for the vacuum pump. We're going to relocate that in the engine bay, and I've got the new worn xenon winch that we are going to install on the next video. One of the first upgrades we did when we bought this beast, we got ourselves a TerraFlex Dana 44 upgrade. I feel a lot better going off the trail. I've heard the stock ones, you can bow them, break them. So I'm hoping this one holds up to what we're going to be doing with this bad boy. After that, we upgraded the shocks. We put on the Fox 2.0 piggyback shocks all around, so we have a better ride on and off-road. And then we did the TerraFlex lowers so that we could adjust the camber caster with the upgrades that we've done. I've got 35-inch Toyo RTs on here right now. These are the rims that it had when I bought it. Not loving it, so I'm looking for some bead locks right now and 37s. I know that this is not going to work with 37s, so we're going to have to tear these off and upgrade these soon also. That'll be coming in another video. Another upgrade we did, and because it scared the crap out of me, I was driving down the road and I literally thought the hood was going to fly open. It was just bouncing like crazy, so I immediately went and picked these up and got rid of the stock ones, and it is so much better. It doesn't even move now. The next thing that we also did is I renamed the beast. This has a lot of meaning to me. I was actually a Seabeecon in the Navy, so it's not the Rubicon anymore. It is now Seabeecon. We also added lights because I like to go off-roading at nighttime, so I put the 2 spotlights up front, light bar. I'm actually going to change those out. Those are the cheaper ones. Check out these rigid spotlights I also put on with side lights, so you can see what's left and right of you, and you don't have to buy 2 and have one shining out this way and one forward. This does both, so these are really nice. I'm also going to put either the rigid ones up here or KC lights. I've seen the KC lights. I love how they look. I'm worried that they might hang down a little bit too far, so I'm going to see how the new rigid ones work on here, and I might stick with rigid. Also, I have these on here that came with the bumper that put on. These are just cheaper ones for now. I'm going to put on one of the yellow off-road lights, so when it's dusty I'm good. I might change this to one of the... So right when I bought this, I went to go wheeling. I put it in 4-wheel drive and I hit the sway bar disconnect. Nothing happened. Just kept blinking. So I watched some YouTube videos and I actually pulled the whole sway bar out, tore the whole thing apart. It was totally full of mud and water. I cleaned everything up, re-greased it all, and the sway bar disconnect works perfect. The dealership wanted $1,500. They figured it was the actuator. I tore it all apart and did it myself in one evening, and it works great. So one part that's fixed. All right, let me tell you about these JW speaker brake lights. I was not loving the stock brake lights. Plus these are a lot brighter when you're backing up at nighttime. Downside of the 35 is it puts a lot of weight on the rear tailgate. So I got the TerraFlex heavy duty tire carrier and installed that. Also put the bracket on here for the antenna and the whip. That was a good upgrade, so it wasn't squeaking, and I heard it can pop the rivets on the back door. So that was one of the first upgrades that we did. One of the coolest upgrades we did was putting in this 9-inch Alpine restyle system. Check this out. It has off-road mode. It has where you can leave breadcrumbs, XM radio, navigation. It has DVD player, so you can hit navigation. I think I'm on off-road mode right now. Yep. So it shows your angles, shows your angle of your Jeep. You can actually change it over. It tells you your GPS, your latitude and longitude. It shows you your volts. You can show your tire pressures, so there's different options that you can do with this. It's actually a really nice setup. The whole thing integrates to your vehicle, so you can still do your volume right here. It tells you if your doors are open, it'll pop up and show on your display. I highly recommend this upgrade. I'm not sponsored by Alpine or anything, but it changed the whole look of the Jeep. It has these new lights on the side, lights it up. It has lights right here for the window switches. We also installed the Cobra handheld all-in-one CB radio. Anyway, this is amazing. I highly recommend it to anybody. The next small upgrade I did, it was very yellow in here whenever you open the door, so I upgraded to the LED package inside, and we put in the brighter white LED lights front and back. It's a really nice upgrade, feels better in here. And other than that, that's it. Get ready for the winch install, and definitely going to do more with suspension. And then our next build is Humvee, which is kind of my parts table right now. But just ordered paint for it. I've got the winch for that. Now I just need to order doors and a soft top, and we'll do some really cool videos with that. Anyway, that's it for now. We'll see you guys on the next one.